Elevate your day with these 20 key takeaways from John C. Maxwell's impactful book, Today Matters. 1. Seize today. Make the most of each day, as today's choices shape your future. 2. Prioritize well. Focus on important tasks that align with your goals. 3. Attitude is everything. Choose a positive mindset for a successful day. 4. Focus on strengths. Leverage your strengths to achieve greater results. 5. Live with purpose. Define your mission and stay true to it. 6. Take ownership. Accept responsibility for your actions and decisions. 7. Cultivate relationships. Invest in meaningful connections with others. 8. Manage time wisely. Use time management techniques to boost productivity. 9. Learn continuously. Embrace a habit of lifelong learning and growth. 10. Make right choices. Make decisions that align with your values and goals. 11. Value people. Show appreciation and respect to those around you. 12. Stay focused. Avoid distractions and stay on track towards success. 13. Embrace change. Be adaptable and open to new opportunities. 14. Practice self-care. Prioritize your well-being and health. 15. Serve others. Contribute positively to the lives of others. 16. Overcome adversity. Face challenges with resilience and determination. 17. Think ahead. Anticipate potential obstacles and plan accordingly. 18. Keep growing. Set goals and stretch yourself to achieve them. 19. Practice gratitude. Focus on the positive aspects of each day. 20. Leave a legacy. Live a life that makes a lasting impact. Elevate your everyday and follow for more life-changing insights.